All right, quick update, guys. As you can see, I got the hood. It wasn't the best in the world, but it's what I could have afforded at the time. It's a little bit rusted on the outside, but as you can see, inside is pretty new. Bought it from a guy down in Miami. He owns a auto shop, and he sold it to me for about 200 bucks. As you can see, I finally got the leg on. The suspension arm, I got the whole suspension arm on, and reinflated the tires, put new tires, went and bought the fender, got another door. As you remember, the other door was destroyed. The fender, I still got to get the side skirts, the airbags and everything. I'm gonna go pick them up today. As you can see, inside is still, oh, also I got the headlights. I'm just gonna put these on for now once I get it fixed, and then I'll probably update them to something better. As you can see, I left the door lock open. I mean the window switch. The door that I got, it didn't work at first. The window wouldn't go up, so it was like stuck halfway, and then I switched it with the other door switch, and it started to work. And then this one started to work again. I switched it back and this one started to work, so at least I got that going. But as I said, just a little update. As you can see, the hood, it's not all damaged and bent. When I got the fender, the wheels back on. All now that's left for me to get this straightened out, it's pretty much here on the frame. They say they could pull it back out. We're gonna try and see what happens. I was just thinking about just getting a front cut, but as for now, they're just gonna cut here. They're just gonna straighten this back out and see if it works. Right here as well, as you can see, it's bent. It's going at this angle, so what they're gonna do is actually just try to straighten this back out. I could have had this cut and had another part welded on, but they said it would be better to just leave it and straighten it. So I'm just gonna go with what they say for now. If it doesn't look right, then we'll try something else. But as you can see, as you remember, nothing wasn't damaged from right behind the fan. Another thing I need to check is the motor still on the fan. Yes, it is. So it's still good. Could definitely use it because I got to get a new fan. Now, the other issue I'm having is jumping it from here to here. Doesn't seem to work. I need to get this part. I'm not familiar what the name of it is, but I'm gonna go and look it up and send it to my guys and see if they have that part for me. But as you can see, if you follow it, come all the way down, you can see these wires hanging here, right under here, and they're pretty much cut from here. And this looks like the ground is cut as well. As you can see as well, the subframe is broken. But yeah, the wires are cut, so I have to get this whole harness back. I looked under there and I think it's connected to a plug down there where I'll probably just need to get this whole harness and run it back up, But as you can see, yeah, the subframe I had to go buy. I have it already. I'll show you guys that later. Yeah, definitely needed that. But pretty much, as you see, project's getting there. The most important part to me was getting this hood, as I said before, and I did switch back over all the parts to it. As you can see, the clips, the cheat shield, and other little stuff. I need to get my intake. I did have one that came with it in the back, but I think it's broken. So I'm just gonna go get a new one. I might update it to something newer. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. As you can see, got the door on. The fender looks a lot better than last time. Got the wheels on. Side skirts need to get done. I have the car covered up with this car cover because the city's really getting on my case, and I really have to move this car. I probably might move it later on today. I'm not 100% sure, but as you can see, we're just in the phase of doing the front end here now, so we can get everything back on the car. The bumper, I'm gonna update it to the new M3 style bumper or M4 style. I'm not sure yet, but I've seen one. It's almost like 500 bucks for it, so I'm gonna probably try to look into that one. But other from that, that's it, guys. Just an update of what I did so far. Fender, the door, got my whole struts assembly on, suspension arm on, control arm. They're gonna have to take it back off again, sadly, because they have to change the subframe. But other from that, guys, yeah, that's it. All right,